In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious bread pizza recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 6 slices of bread, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of shredded Gouda cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter, sliced cherry tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 garlic cloves shredded, sliced salami, jalapenos sliced, green peppers sliced, or any toppings of your choice. On a parchment paper lined baking sheet, we're going to start by adding our bread slices. We're going to spread the ketchup on 3 slices of bread. Over this, we're going to add the mozzarella cheese, we're going to top our bread pizza with the cherry tomatoes, salami, peppers, jalapenos, or any toppings of your choice. We're also going to add some of the Gouda cheese on top. For the garlic bread, we're going to start by melting the butter in the microwave. To the butter, we're going to add in the salt and the garlic, and rub this mixture onto our bread slices. We're going to top with the mozzarella cheese, and the Gouda. We're going to bake these in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Our bread pizza is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.